I just picked up this Hanboost ES01 electric screwdriver. And I'll tell you, it's pretty cool, so I want to share the features with you. First of all, this thing here comes in a really sturdy case. When you open it up, you can see it's got the screwdriver. It has 35 different heads for the screwdriver, including 5 different size Phillips heads and 5 different size flat heads, and then a bunch of different heads I didn't even know existed for different types of screws. It also comes with a charging cable. It comes with a lanyard if you want to attach that. It comes with this little gizmo here, which is a magnetizer. You take and you put the head on there, and it magnetizes the head. So if you need to pick up a little screw with it, it does that for you. It also comes, if I get this out, with a little hand screwdriver. And I really like this because sometimes you just need to turn something a turn or two. And again, it has this rotating piece here, so you can turn this very smoothly. And it also has a little measuring, hopefully you can see that, where'd it go? Has a little ruler on it there as well. Now this screwdriver comes with 2 different size heads. It has this larger head, and that chucks into it just like so. All right. And it also has these smaller size heads. Let me show you here. These little wee ones, and those fit in there like so. Basically, it seats itself. You don't have to modify it, or it has 2 different basically sockets inside there. And again, this thing also has a light to it. So if I press this button here, it'll turn on, and you can see the different settings there. And it goes through 4 different torque levels. I'm not sure if you can see those numbers there. And you can run it forwards and backwards. And as you can see, it lights up, right? So you can actually use this as kind of as a flashlight if you needed to. But there you go, the Hanboost ES01 electric screwdriver. It is really cool, lots of cool features. You should definitely check it out.